All right, so here's our prototype of a component-based system that has 3 machines in an assembly line as specified in the technical documentation, which also uses 3 different protocols to interface to these machines. All of the machines and the protocols are components in our system, which means they can be removed and exchanged, and our GUI will still work. So in terms of the GUI, we can go through all the elements of the GUI. So we have a production where we can start productions and create an order name and amount, and we can have a product type. We can see the status, where we of course get notified that no production has been started or the queue is empty, where we should be able to see the status of the current production. We have an inventory that's directly interfacing with our database, and these get sent to the warehouse machine. And we also have 2 free trays where finished drones get put in. We also have a backlog where all the orders we have added can be seen, and we have monitoring where the states of the different machines can be observed. This polls every second, so it should be really good at updating. So if we want to start an order, we can call it AK company, and we want 3 drones, and it should be a transport drone. Start that. And so now observe in the CLI that we can follow along in the production process, which is specified by our coordinator, that says what all the machines needs to do and when they need to do it. And it has confirming of where we are in the process, so it should work as like step by step. We can also observe the states are now following what they have to do, and probably also the AGV now is charging as it went under 20 battery. So we're waiting for it to charge up again, and now it's back. So now it can start moving again. So we go back, and now we can see in the status, still 0 has been processed, but it should be updated as we're putting it into the warehouse now. There we go. And now it's been updated, and there's 1 out of 3 has been produced. And this is also in the inventory, so we can see a finished drone has been produced and inserted into the warehouse. All right, so if we now stop the process, we can also test the component-based nature of our system, where all the machines or components and the protocols are components. So if we, for example, remove warehouse, we should be able to still start our system. And notice how we already handle that. We know which module is missing, and we know or we get notified of that module has been missing. So if we now want to start a production, we again go AK company, and we want to order 2 drones, and they should be recon drones. We started. We can't start it because a component is missing, and we get notified of it, and no order is added to the backlog.